Nervous for freshman year? Cirkled In has got you covered. Here are our tips and tricks to help you survive freshman year.
This isn't middle school. You don't need a haul of Target supplies. Don't buy too much school supplies. Wait till the first day of school and then talk to your teachers and advisors to see what you really need for each class. You probably only need a couple binders and notebooks.
Very first day of school can be very scary and overwhelming, but there are many ways to make it easier on yourself. Instead of running around not knowing where you're supposed to be, just set your schedule as your screensaver.
It's freshman year, which means it's a perfect time to start forming some great organization skills and study habits. Whether you are an online person or you love writing, always make sure you're consistently writing notes in class. Remember, the organization skills and study habits you form now will help you later in high school and in college.
Always go and talk to your teachers. If you're struggling on an assignment or just need extra help, they're there to help you. And if you're going to be missing a day or need an extension on an assignment, always go and talk to them early. Don't go in the morning of and tell your teacher you can't take a test. Always go talk to your teachers ahead of time.
Planning on skipping freshman orientation? Trust me, you should definitely go. There are many ways to advantage from freshman orientation. You can meet your possible best friend, meet some new teachers, and get a feel for the school before you actually enter freshman year. So go!
Even though you just started high school goes by in a flash. Remember to keep your long-term goals in mind. The activities and grades you get now will affect your future, but it's freshman year, so have fun.
High school is a great time to step out of your comfort zone and try new activities. Freshman year, go out and join new clubs, try out for some sports teams. You'll be surprised who you might meet, and you'll make some lifelong friends. So go out and get involved.
While you're making new friends and meeting new people, don't be afraid to befriend an upperclassman. We're here to help. We can advise you on the classes to take, the school traditions, and our own tips and tricks on making it in high school. So don't be afraid to reach out.
During passing period, this hallway can be filled with tons of people, which means there are plenty of opportunities for people who are running on their phones to bump into you. So always make sure you're headed clear of where you're going and you're off your phone. And please walk on the right side of the stairs.
While you're preparing for your first day of school, it might be a good idea to pack a small bag full of essentials such as chapstick, headphones, a power bank, and maybe some small snacks and any other things that you find essential for your day at school.
And remember, don't compare yourself to others. Everybody has different strengths and weaknesses, and that's okay. You might be really good at math, but your friend might be better at English or history. And that's okay. You can help your friend at math, and your friend can help you study for English or history. We're all just human, and we're better at different things, and there's no reason to compare yourself to others academically or socially. High school gives you the opportunity to really discover what you like doing and find your passions. With all the stress of academics, remember that high school is just about the experience to help you develop as a person.
Remember to enjoy yourself, have fun, and discover your story.
Hashtag tell your story.